transmission lines. A transmission line may be thought of as a device used for transmitting or guiding electrical energy from one point to another. A device may be thought of a device used for transmitting or guiding electrical energy from this point to this point through electrical energy from point A to point B is transmission line. Application: to carry RF power from one line point to another point. 1. To RF transmission line can be used as pure reactive element. 3. Transmission line can work as a impedance transformer, balloon for impedance matching. Now here characteristics of transmission line. Suppose I have resistance R, inductor L, which is in parallel with this one. This is G and this is C. Okay, this is R and this is L, and this is equivalent to this one. Zi equal to Z0. This is Z0. Characteristics impedance equal to Z0 equal to root under R plus J omega L divided by R plus J omega C, where R is distributed on the line. Yes, if this is copper may be sometimes like this. Copper has their capacitance develop. Maybe copper will be like this rounding as this capacitance. Maybe sometimes copper will be like this, the inductance developed, and copper itself has resistance. Distributed resistance per unit length. R is this, L equal to distributed inductance per unit length, and G is distributed shunt conductance per unit length. This is G and this is CS, and C is distributed shunt capacitance per unit length. And characteristics impedance of a transmission line is its input impedance if it was infinitely long. For lossless transmission media, Z naught equal to this R j omega L by R plus j omega C would be reduced to root under L by C. This will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. Yes. I think this is G1. Yes, this is here, it must be G. This G and this are cancelled, where R G equals to 0. Measure sources of losses in transmission line. Why the message get lost is copper loss. I square R is due to resistance. Yes. Then 2 is B, dielectric loss in the form of it C loss, radiation loss, radiation of RF power in free space or nearby circuit. Ideally there might be lossless transmission line also, but practically there might be some losses. And the reflection coefficient